Good morning, children. Welcome back to our maths online class. In the previous class, we finished the measurement chapter. Today, we are going to start new chapter. Take out your textbooks, page number 100. Okay, now tell children what is the name of the chapter. Yes, very good. Ratio. A ratio is a way of comparing two or more numbers. And also, ratio exists between two quantities of the same kind. Okay, children, now see in the picture, this is the symbol of ratio. Now, see here, a ratio is a comparison between the quantities of two things. For example, see here, there are 3 triangles and 2 squares. How many triangles are there here? Yes, 3 triangles. And how many squares? 2 squares. We can write the ratio as, how we will write the ratio here? See here, what is the ratio? 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2. We call that ratio. Children, here in mathematics, we use, this is a ratio. We call this is ratio. Symbol for comparison. This symbol is called ratio. In mathematics, we use a ratio symbol for comparison. This symbol is called ratio. In your textbook, page number 101. How to write a ratio? How to write a ratio? I brought a book for rupees. How many rupees? Book cost 60. My sister brought a book for rupees 20. Let us compare the prices. Let us compare the prices. Here we have to compare the prices of two books. The price of my book is how many rupees? 60. 60 by 20 or 3 times than my sister's. 3 times more ga undi kada chudandi ikkada 20. Here 60. Any times ఎక్కువ ఉంది 3 times ఉంది కాబట్టి 3 times than 3 times that of my sisters. In ratio, we can write it as 60 is to 20. In ratio, how we will write this number? 60 is to 20. 60 is to 20. The ratio 60 by 20 is reduced to 6 by 2. 6 by 2 and further to 3 by 1. Again, we can reduce this number. What is this number? 60 by 20 is there, no? See, 60 by 20 is there. So, it reduces to 6 by 2. How it will reduce? 0, 0 cancel. So, what is the number here? 6 and denominator 2. 6 by 2. In further to 3 by 1. 6 and 2 is there in which table? 6 and 2 is there in which table? Yes, very good. 2 table, 2 is there and also 6 is there. 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. So total how much? 3 by 1. 3 by 1. The ratio may be read as 3 to 1 and written as 3 to 1 or 3 is to 1. 3 to 1 అనైనా అనొచ్చు, 3 is to 1 అయినా రాయొచ్చు. Any of this form is acceptable. How many ways are there here? 1, 2, 3. 3 ways are there. What are they? 3 to 1 is the first way. 3 is to 1 is the second way. And 3 by 1 is the third way. Any way of this form is acceptable. Key point is there. The numbers representing the ratio are called the terms. ఇక్కడ మనకి నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చారు కదా, ఆ నెంబర్స్ని ఏమంటామంట మనం రేషియో చాప్టర్స్లో టర్మ్స్ అని అంటాము. ఇన్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్, రేషియో 3 and 1 ఆర్ ద టర్మ్స్. 3 and 1 ఆర్ ద టర్మ్స్. రేషియో చాప్టర్లో నెంబర్స్ని మనం ఏమని చదువుతాము? టర్మ్స్ అని చదువుతాము. ఓకే. Now, see in the picture, children, simplify the following ratio to its lowest terms. Lowest terms, here we have to convert that number. What is the number here? 6 is to 15. 6 is to 15. Here 6 and 15 are there in one table. Now, tell me the table. Yes, very good. Here see in this picture, divided by 3 is there, no? Yes, this number is divisible by 3 table. 6 and 15 is divisible by 3 table. So how many times 6 is there in 3 table? Here see in the red box is there, no? Yes, 2 times. And next 15 also there in 3 table. How many times? Very good children, 5 times. Total what is the lowest terms here? 6 is to 15 is the question. Now here what is the lowest terms number? 2 is to 5 is the lowest term numbers. 2 is to 5. Children, see here the first Roman. Reduce the following ratio of their lowest term. Lowest term here we have to write. What is the question here? 6 is to 8. 6 is to 8. What is the symbol of ratio? Paina oka dot kinda oka dot petali. Idi emantamu ratio symbol is to. 6 is to 8. 6 and 8 are there in one table only. What is the table name? Yes. What is the table? Very good. 2 table. See here I am writing the 2 table. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. Up to here I wrote. And now see here. What are the numbers here? 6 is to 8. 6 and 8 are the numbers. 6 and 8 is there in 2 table or not? See and tell. 6 is there and also 8 is also there. How many times 6 is there? 3 times. So write here 3. Again, what is the symbol of ratio? Is to know. Keep that symbol. And again 8 is there. How many times 8 is there? 4 times. So write here 4. What is the lowest term here? 3 is to 4 is the lowest term. And afterwards see the second question. 9 is to 6. 9 is to 6. 9 and 6 is there in which table? 9 and 6. Ee 2 numbers kuda okay table lo undali. What is that? Very good. 3 table. See here I am writing the 3 table. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. Children, 9 is to 6. 9 and 6 is there in 3 table or not? Yes, very good. 9 is there in 3 3s and 6 is there in 3 2s. So, which number here we have to write? Which number at first we have to write, Nana? Yes, 3. Afterwards, what we have to do? The symbol of ratio is to 2. First ఏం చేయాలంటే ఇచ్చిన 2 నెంబర్స్ ఏ టేబుల్లో ఉన్నాయో చెక్ చేయాలి. చెక్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆ టేబుల్లో ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ ఉన్నాయో రాసి మనం రాసినటువంటి రేషియో సింబల్ ఇస్ దేర్ నో దిస్ ఈజ్ టు కీప్ దట్ and afterwards see the next number. So what is the lowest term here? 3 is to 2 is the lowest term. Next see the third one. 14 is to 21. 14 is to 21. 14 and 21 is there in which table? Yes, very good. 7 table. See here the 7 table. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. Next 7 4s are 28. Up to here I wrote. But here what is the numbers? 14 and 21. 14 and 24. 1 is there in 7 table or not? Yes, very good. 7 2s are 14. So write here 2. Again what we have to keep here, Nana? Very good. Is 2. Ratio symbol. Again 21 is there. 21 is there in 7 table or not? Yes, 21 is also there. 3s are 21. Right here 3. 21. 2 is to 3. 14 is to 21 is the question. The lowest term is 2 is to 3. And again see here the fourth sum. 1200 is to 1500. Again I am writing here the question. See 1200 is to 1500. This is the question. What we have to do here means, see Nana, these 2 zeros and these 2 zeros are cancelled. ఇక్కడ 2 zeros ని ఇక్కడ 2 zeros ని మనం క్యాన్సిల్ చేసాం. అప్పుడు మనకి what is the number here? Very good. 12 is to 15 is the number. Now this number, by using this number, we have to write the lowest form. By using 12 and 15, we have to write the lowest form. 12 and 15 is there in which table? Very good. 3 table. See here the 3 table. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 fives are 15. Up to 5 I wrote here. Here see Nana. What are the number here? 12 is to 15 is the number. 12 is to 15. In 3 table, 12 and 15 is there or not there? See and tell. Yes, very good. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. Here what we have to write? Very good Nana. 4 is to 5 here we have to write. At first what we have to do? First write the question. Question ఏది ఉందో అది సేమ్ కింద రాయండి. రాసిన తర్వాత అగైన్ క్యాన్సిల్ ద జీరోస్, కౌంట్ ద జీరోస్. సేమ్ గా జీరోస్ ఉంటే క్యాన్సిల్ చేయాలి. ఒకవేళ ఇటువైపు 3 ఉండి ఇటువైపు 2 ఉన్నాయి అనుకో, క్యాన్సిల్ దిస్ 2 zeros ఓన్లీ. ఓకేనా? లెఫ్ట్ 1 0 అండ్ క్యాన్సిల్ ద 2 zeros. So here 2 zeros only there. Here also 2 zeros only there. No. So cancel these 2 zeros. Next, what is the number here? 12 is to 15 is there. 12 and 15 is there in only one table. 12 15 only one table lone undali. A table lo undi adi 3 table lo undi. So how many times are there? 12 and 15 in 3 table. 4 is to 5. That is the lowest term. 4 is to 5. Here, first one, solved problems. First one, in a class of 35 students, 25 are girls and the rest boys. Find the ratio of the girls to the boys. How many students are there in a class? 35 students. How many girls are there in the class? 25 are girls. Rest of boys. 25 girls unaru. Remaining vallandaru evaru? Boys. Find out the ratio of girls to the boys. Here what we have to find out? Ratio to whom? Girls to the boys. Now see the solution. What is the question here? In a class of 35 students. How many students are there in a class? 35 students. First write that step. Number of students in the class. Number of students in the class. How many students are there? Yes, very good. 35 students are there in a class. Next, number of girls. How many girls are there? 25 are girls and the rest boys. Number of girls. See, number of girls. Number of girls. How many girls are there in that class? 25 members are there. Again, what we have to find here? Find the ratio of the girls to the boys. At first, we have to find out the number of girls, that is 25. And again, we have to find out number of boys. Number of boys. Number of boys means here we have to do the subtraction. Here we have to do the subtraction. Total class lo enta mandi unnaranta? 35 members unnaru. 35 members లో గర్ల్స్ 25 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారంట. ఇప్పుడు మనకి బాయ్స్ కావాలి అంటే గర్ల్స్ ని మైనస్ చేస్తే ఉన్నవాళ్ళే కదా బాయ్స్. రెస్ట్ ఎంతమంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉంటారో వాళ్ళు ఎవరు అవుతారు? ఇప్పుడు బాయ్స్ అవుతారు. సో హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ద సబ్ట్రాక్షన్. 5 minus 5 is equals to how much? 0. 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So number of boys is equals to how many members are there? 10 members are there in that class. Boys and girls. Here boys and girls, what we have to do? Ratio here we have to find out. Find out the ratio. Evarki ratio kanukovali? Girls to the boys. Girls to the boys. First write here the girls. And next here boys. How many members are there? Girls. Girls enta mandi unnaru? 25. So write here 25. Again boys, how many members are there? 10 members are there. So write here 10. Now here we have to find out the ratio. Lowest term lo chudali ka 25 and here 10. 25 and 10 are there in which table? See nana 25 10 ఏ table lo unnayi. Divisibility rules andarki vachu. Here 1's place 0 and here 5. These two numbers are divisible by which table? Very good, 5 table. So right here 5 table once we will check. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 5s are 25. Here what is the numbers? 25 and here 10 and 10. 25 means which number we have to write here? Yes, very good, 5. And here 10 is there, so 2. We have to keep here the ratio symbol. Okay. The ratio of the girls to the boys is equals to how much? See here. The ratio of the girls to the boys equals to 5:2. ఇప్పుడు మనకి గర్ల్స్ నుంచి బాయ్స్ కి రేషియో కనుక్కోమన్నారు కాబట్టి 5:2 అవుతుంది. అదే మనల్ని బాయ్స్ టు ద గర్ల్స్ అన్నారు అనుకో రివర్స్ అవుతుంది, 2:5 అవుతుంది. ఓకే. థర్డ్ సమ్. In a basket, there are 120 fruits, out of which 40 are mangoes and the rest apples. How many fruits are there in the basket? 120 fruits are in a basket, out of which 40 are mangoes. How many mangoes are there in that basket? 40 are mangoes and the rest apples. Find the ratio between mangoes and apples. Here, ఒక బాస్కెట్లో 120 ఫ్రూట్స్ ఉన్నాయంట, అందులో 40 ఏంటివి? మ్యాంగోస్. ఇంకా రిమైన్ ఉంటాయి కదా రెస్ట్, ఆ రెస్ట్ అన్ని కూడా యాపిల్స్ అనమాట. సో ఫస్ట్ హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ద సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫ్రూట్స్ టు మ్యాంగోస్. ఫ్రూట్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి దాంట్లోంచి మ్యాంగోస్ తీస్తే మనకి ఏదైతే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుందో అది యాపిల్స్ అవుతాయి. అండ్ అగైన్ ఫైండ్ ద రేషియో బిట్వీన్ మ్యాంగోస్ అండ్ యాపిల్స్. అగైన్ హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద రేషియో బిట్వీన్ మ్యాంగోస్ అండ్ యాపిల్స్. సేమ్ యాజ్ టీజ్ గా ఫస్ట్ సమ్ లానే ఇది కూడా. ఇన్ ఏ బాస్కెట్ దేర్ ఆర్ 120 ఫ్రూట్స్. హౌ మెనీ ఫ్రూట్స్ ఆర్ దే? 120, out of which 40 are mangoes. 40 are mangoes. Here what we have to find out? Here we have to find out the apples. Okay Nana. See, number of fruits in a basket. Number of fruits in a basket. How many fruits are there? See in your textbook and tell. Very good, 120. And again, out of which 40 are mangoes and the rest apples. Number of mangoes. How many mangoes are there? 40. See, number of mangoes 40. So here what we have to find out? Number of apples. Here we have to find out number of apples. 120 బాస్కెట్లు ఉన్నాయంటున్నాను ఫ్రూట్స్, అందులో 40 యాపిల్స్ అన్నారు. ఆ 40 యాపిల్స్ని తీసేస్తే రిమైనింగ్ ఉన్నవన్నిటిని ఏమవుతాయి? యాపిల్సే కదా. మ్యాంగోస్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 40 ఉన్నాయి. ఈ 40 మ్యాంగోస్ని బయటికి తీస్తే బాస్కెట్లో ఏముంటాయి? ఇప్పుడు యాపిల్సే ఉంటాయి. ఆ బాస్కెట్లో ఎన్ని యాపిల్స్ ఉన్నాయో మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో హియర్ వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ? Yes, very good. Subtraction here we have to do. So 0 minus 0 is equals to 0. Here 2 minus 4. It is not possible. So here we have to take the borrow. Here the number is 12. This is 0. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is equals to 8. So number of apples. How many apples are there here? 80. Here what is the ratio we have to find? Find the ratio between mangoes and apples. First we have to write the mangoes. See here, ratios we have to write the mangoes. And afterwards apples. How many mangoes are there? See in this here 40, no? Right here 40. Here how many apples are there? 80. So right here 80. So what I told, if zeros are there means just we have to count how many zeros are there. Here only 1 0, here also only 1 0. So cancel these zeros. ఫస్ట్ మనకి ఎన్ని జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయో కౌంట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంది. సో ఈ 1 0ని ఈ 1 0ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేసేసాము. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెంబర్ హియర్? 4 ఈస్ టు 8 ఈస్ ద నెంబర్. 8 is the number. 4 and 8 is divisible by which table? See here 4 and 8 are there in one table only. Yes, very good. 4 table. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Cancel this one. Right here 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2. So here the ratio between mangoes and apple is equals to how much? 1 is to 2. Right here. The ratio of the mangoes and apples. What is the ratio? 1 is to 2 is the ratio. ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలంటే టోటల్ ఎంత ఉన్నాయో చూసుకోవాలి. టోటల్ ఎంత ఉన్నాయో చూసి మనకి వాళ్ళు ఒక నెంబర్ ఇస్తున్నారు కదా, ఆ నెంబర్ని మనం సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేయాలి. సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేస్తే మనం వాళ్ళు ఏమైతే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నారో అది వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ బాస్కెట్లో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయంట? 120 ఉన్నాయి. మ్యాంగోస్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 40 ఉన్నాయి. సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏమొచ్చేసాయి? యాపిల్స్ వచ్చేసాయి. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నారు? రేషియో మ్యాంగోస్ టు యాపిల్ కదా, మ్యాంగోస్ నుంచి యాపిల్కి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నారు. కాబట్టి మనం 40 ఈజ్ టు 80 రాసుకున్నాం. అదే ఇక్కడ మనల్ని మ్యాంగోస్ కాకుండా యాపిల్స్ టు మ్యాంగోస్ అంటే రివర్స్, ఇది ఫస్ట్ ఇచ్చి ఇది సెకండ్ ఇచ్చారనుకో, యాపిల్స్ టు మ్యాంగోస్ అంటే మనం ఏం చేస్తాం? ఇప్పుడు యాపిల్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 80 కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ రాస్తాం 80, నెక్స్ట్ 40 అని రాయాలి. 0 0 క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ 2 ఈజ్ టు 1 అవుతుంది. ఓకే, అర్థమైందా నాన్న? See in your textbook page number 102. 102. Third sum. Look at the figure and determine the ratios. Here we have to see these pictures and write the ratios. See, this is the mother. Mother age is 28 years. Son age is 7 years. Daughter age is 4 years. And father's age is 32 years. 28, 7, 4, 32. This is the age of the family. And again here we have to find out the ratio. Father's age to mother's age. Here what we have to find out? Father's age to mother's age. What is the age of the father? 32. First write here 32. Here we are finding the ratios. Now keep the ratio symbol. And again mother's age. What is the mother's age? 28. 28. This is the answer. First ఎవరేజ్ కనుక్కోమన్నారో వాళ్ళది రాయండి. నెక్స్ట్ రేషియో సింబల్. అగైన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ సీ ద సెకండ్ వన్. ఫాదర్స్ ఏజ్ టు సన్స్ ఏజ్. Father's age to son's age. Here what is the age of the father? 32. Right here 32. And keep symbol. Okay na? And keep the ratio symbol. Again see son's age. What is the age of here son's? 7. So write here 7. Next, father's age to daughter's age. What is the age of your father? 32. And again which age we have to write? Daughter's age 4. Next, mother's age to son's age. Mother's age. Mother's age is 28. And again keep the ratio symbol. And son's age. What is the age of the son? 7 years. So write here 7. Children, do this 5th one and 6th one and send to my WhatsApp number. When you are listening the class, then only you have to write this too and send to my WhatsApp number. 4th Roman, solve problems. Here third one. Third one is important sum. That's why I am telling this one. See, the price of 2 books is 40 rupees. What is the cost of the books here? 2 books cost 40 rupees. The prices are in the ratio. What are the what is that? The prices or in the ratio. What is the ratio here? 3:5. Find the price of each book. ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చారంటే ఆల్రెడీ వాళ్ళే రేషియో ఇచ్చారు. ఎంత కాస్ట్ 2 బుక్స్ కి కలిపి ఇచ్చారు. మనం ఇక్కడ ఏం కనుక్కోవాలి? ఈచ్ బుక్, ప్రతి ఒక్క బుక్ కి ఎంత కాస్ట్ అవుతుంది అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, the solution, the ratio 3:5 means that first book gets 3. Right here, the ratio 3:5 means, the ratio 3:5 means that first book gets how much? First book gets 3 and second book gets 5. This is the form. The ratio 3:5. 3:5 ఉంది కదా, ఈ 3 దేనికి బిలాంగ్ అవుతుంది? ఫస్ట్ బుక్ కి. If second book gets 5 of the total parts. This is the total part. Again మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ రేషియో ఉంది కదా, దీన్ని యాడ్ చేయాలి. What is the ratio here? 3:5 ఉంది కదా, దీన్ని యాడ్ చేయాలి. So the sum of the terms of the ratio, right here, the sum of terms of the ratio is equals to how much? What I told, just we have to add the ratio. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. 8 is the sum of the terms of the ratio. ఇలా 2 నెంబర్స్ ఉన్న వాటిని ఏమంటామంటే మనం టర్మ్స్ అంటాము. నెక్స్ట్ ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? అగైన్ హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫస్ట్ బుక్ అండ్ కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద సెకండ్ బుక్. సో రైట్, ఫస్ట్ బుక్ కాస్ట్. First book. At first we have to find out the first book. So total how much rupees 2 books cost? See in your textbook and tell. The price of the 2 books is 400. Now write here first 400 and I can keep the into. And what is the cost of the first book here? That means first book gets 3. So write here 3 and by denominator write 8. See children, the formation. ఫస్ట్ టోటల్ కాస్ట్ ఏమైతే ఉందో అది రాయాలి. 400 కదా 2 బుక్స్ కాస్ట్, ఈ 400 రాయాలి. ఇంటూ మనం ఏ బుక్ కనుక్కుంటున్నాం ఇప్పుడు? ఫస్ట్ బుక్ నో, దట్స్ వై ఇన్ న్యూమరేటర్ రైట్ 3, ఇన్ డినామినేటర్ రైట్ 8. 8 is the sum of the terms of the ratio. Now write that 8. Again do the cancellation. In 8 table 400 is there or not there? First check. 40 is there. 400 not there, but 40 is there. We know that. 4 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. Cancel this and write here 5. Another 0 is there. No, write here 0. So total how much here? 50 into 3. 50 into 3. 50 into 3 means do the multiplication here. 3 zeros are 0. And next 3 5s are how much? 3 5s are very good 15. 3 5s are 15. This is the cost of the first book. First book cost is 150 rupees. 150 rupees. ఇలా క్యాన్సిలేషన్ చేసాం. 8 టేబుల్లో ఇది ఉందా లేదా చెక్ చేసాము. మీకు ఇలా క్యాన్సిలేషన్ రాకపోతే ఈజీగా డివిజన్ కూడా చేయొచ్చు. 8 400. ఓకే, 5s are 40. 1 0 is there. No, take out the 0 and write in the quotient. So what is the quotient here? 50. Right, cancel is 400. Write here 50. Again 50 into 3 is there. In denominator 1 is there, means no need to write 1. We already discussed in the which chapter? Fractions chapter. So what we have to write? 50 into 3. 50 into 3 is equals to 150. Okay, now next what we have to find out next? Second book cost. See, second book is equal to same like that only. First book ఎలా అయితే find out చేసామో సేమ్ అలానే find out చేయాలి. 400 is there. No, right here 400 into, again here we wrote 3. Why? Because this is a first book. That's why here we wrote 3. This is the second book. No, so which number here we have to write? Very good, 5 here we have to write. 5 by 8. We already know the cancellation here. 1 and here 50. ఇదైతే చేంజ్ అవ్వదు నాన్న, ఓన్లీ దీంతో మల్టిప్లికేషనే చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. సో హియర్ 50 into 5. 50 into 5. 5 zeros are 0 and next 5 5s are 25. This is the cost of the second book. What is the cost of the first book here? 150. And again, what is the cost of the second book here? 250. Write that here. Hence, the cost of first book. The cost of first book is equals to, what is the cost here? 150, no? Right here 150. This is the symbol of rupees. ఇలా పెట్టి ఇలా రాస్తాం కదా రూపీస్ కి మనం, రూపీస్. నెక్స్ట్ రైట్ ద కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ సెకండ్ బుక్. Second book is equals to, what is the cost of second book? 250. Right here 250. Just once recheck nana. 150 250 టోటల్ యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకి ఎంత వస్తుంది చెక్ చేద్దాం ఒకసారి. 400 వస్తే మనం చేసిన సమ్ ఫినిష్ అయినట్లే. చూడండి ఇక్కడ 250 150 0 0. నెక్స్ట్ 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. Right here 1 plus 3 4 3 plus 1 4 400. 2 books కాస్ట్ వచ్చేసిందా? ఎస్, వెరీ గుడ్. ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏం చేయాలి? ఎట్ ఫస్ట్ ఇచ్చిన టర్మ్స్ ని మనము డివైడ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఫస్ట్ బుక్ ఎంత కాస్ట్, సెకండ్ బుక్ ఎంత కాస్ట్ అని డివైడ్ చేయాలి. డివైడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఏం చేయాలి? అగైన్ ద సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద రేషియో. అగైన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ద సమ్. సమ్ మీన్స్ ఎడిషన్, difference means subtraction, sum means addition. So here we are doing the addition again. Then now we have to find out the cost of the first book. First book cost is equals to 400 into 3 by 8. Cancel this 8. Do here, see the division. Write the quotient. Here is the quotient, no? Right here. Cancel the 400 and write the quotient. This is the 8 ones are only. 50 into 3. 50 into 3 is equals to 3 zeros are 0. 3 5s are 15. That's okay. Next, second book is equals to 400 into 5 by 8. 1 times, this is also 50. 50 into 5 means how much? 5 zeros are 0. 5 5s are 25. And coming to the next step. Hence, the cost of the first book is, what is the cost of the first book? 150. Very good. And what is the cost of the second book? 250. This is the steps. Again, I do the addition. Why? Because to check total, what is the cost? Nana 400. Now we get that answer. Now that's why total this sum is correct. Children, master should complete your classwork and send to my WhatsApp number. If you are not sending, means there is no classwork marks for you. So many members are not sending. So write your classwork and send to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. See you in the next class. God bless you, children.